In this video, I'm going to give you some tools that help me make $50 to $200 in just 24 hours of work. That is per day. And I know that may sound a little bit incredible, but that is why I tested this out for you guys, and I'm going to document this journey for you guys. And this is the kind of payments that I was receiving on a daily basis every single day, doing something like I'm going to teach you in this exact video here for free on YouTube. So I'm not charging for any course like that. This is all here for anybody to watch who wants to learn and get value and make some money online with this. So I've made this a super easy step-by-step tutorial for anybody to do this. If you're a complete beginner, if this is your first time on a PC, or you've never seen any of these websites before, I'm going to hold your hand throughout the entire process so that both beginners and more people that are experienced can do this and execute this and make some money online as well. And all I ask is a simple like in return and subscribe down below if you're new to the channel, and welcome to the Millionaire Mindset channel. My name is Jay. I make daily videos on the latest ways on how to make money online. What I'm also going to do is on the pinned comment above, I will leave a download link to a free course, affiliate marketing course that you can go and download off the Google Drive that I paid for. I've got this course in a link on a Google Drive for you guys to download for free, as I really hope to give you guys as much as value as possible, as I really enjoy and am passionate about making content like this. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into the first website. Okay, so we are now inside of my PC, and the first platform that we need to go and visit is called Snip.ly, which is one of the most powerful platforms that I haven't spoken for a while on my channel, where you can add a call to action to any website in the world. So you can literally go and paste YouTube links or your youtube.com link in Sniply, and you can have your own private branded call to action over the website, as in the illustration over here. And I highly recommend that you also save this video to your watch later list, or save it anywhere, because this is probably going to be one of the most favorite videos that you will see on my channel so far. This is really a great strategy that I'm going to show you with this website, and I'm going to show you 3 other websites that you can going to combine this with. So make sure that you keep watching and don't skip any important steps and gold nuggets that I'm going to release in this video. So I'm also going to reveal the exact website that I use that you can go and use yourself as well, so that you can also go and get results online with this, because obviously what I did has been working for me, and I want this to work for you as well. So the first step of this video is to click on get started for free. So what I really like about this is it is a free tool, and then you can pay for it later on if you want to upgrade your account, but you can sign up a completely free account. But I've already got an account, so I need to log in with my account, and this is thinking to pop up with your dashboard. And over here, I've created a brand new account for the purpose of this video for utter beginners that haven't signed up on this website before. So here you can see the snips you've created, the amount of clicks that you've got, your conversions, and your conversion rate, meaning the amount of people out of 100 that click on your link and convert into sales, or click on the call to action on the website that you've put in here. So here you can see what you need to do is you need to go and find a URL in the top left here that you can go and paste and create your own snip, your own branded call to action on any website. So the second step of this video is to go and find this URL to the website that we can use. But before we continue to this next platform, make sure to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, and leave your comments down below if you have any questions, and please follow me on Instagram at jfroneman. There I answer DMs, message you guys, and answer any questions if you guys need help. So without further ado, make sure you go and do that, and let's continue with this video. So before we continue with Sniply, we need to go to one other website first, and that is going to be clickbank.com, where we need to find an affiliate product. You can also use, for example, digistore24.com. I know a lot of people struggle to sign up on ClickBank, but Digistore24 is the perfect alternative to ClickBank, as it's worldwide and that the sign up process is not as strict. ClickBank, unfortunately, is not accepted in every country, and it's got a very strict sign up process. But if you are on ClickBank, use ClickBank. If you're not, use Digistore24. But since I'm on ClickBank, I'm going to use ClickBank and log in with my account and show you the next step from there. So ClickBank is a marketplace where you can become an affiliate for any digital product in any niche in the world. So you can see art and entertainment, employment and jobs, fiction. Basically how that works is someone has a product or service or course, you get your own unique affiliate link with an ID to that course. When someone purchases that course through your link, you're going to get a commission for every sale that you make through that link. So that is the basics of what affiliate marketing means for those of you that are new. But let's go and find, and I'm going to show you the exact product that I've been using for this. So specifically for the strategy, come over to the search bar over here where it says find products, and you want to type in video marketing Blaster. And why I like this tool a lot, because it's firstly a tool that I use, it works really well, and it's a tool that only costs $30 once off, and you basically put in a keyword in that tool. So you'll see here you're going to get an average of $27.74 per sale that you make. So if you work this out, if you get 5 sales a day, that's well over $100 a day in commission. 2 sales a day is well over $50 a day in commission, which is a lot of extra money online. And why I like this product is because a lot of people want to become content creators. A lot of people want to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube, and this is a very new tool on the market that not a lot of people know of. It's kind of high in demand, also not expensive, and also not a lot of competition when promoting this product. That is why I have found quite a lot of success with this. So all you need to do is you're going to then click on the promote button over here. This tab will pop up. Click on generate hot links. Over here, you can go and copy your affiliate link to this website. So every time someone clicks on this link over here, you are going to get a sale, or every time they make a sale through that link, you're going to get a commission for that. So I've now copied my affiliate link. You are going to come back to sniply.ly or snip.ly on your dashboard. You're going to enter your affiliate URL and you're going to click on create snip. And here you can see this is what my call to action is going to look like over this website. So here you can see this is the landing page of Video Marketing Blaster. Here is my call to action over here. So I just simply got here, get $70 off here, and click on get deal. Let's actually make this now. We put in here limited only. Limited, we can click save that. So there we go. We can see that what this looks like. And then this button, what you're also going to do is you're going to use your affiliate link again. So you're going to use the same affiliate link on the button URL. And where I get the $70 off here is you'll see if I come down to the bottom of the landing page, you can see use coupons code special 70 and you're going to get $70 discount. So actually what I'm going to do is get 70 off here. I'm going to put coupon code, and I'm actually going to paste this here, this code special 70. I'm going to come back and I'm going to paste it like that. There we go. So you can see now people are getting a coupon code over here, which is enticing them to purchase this product, which increases conversion rates a lot more because they're getting a big discount off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Snip over here once it's done. And here you can see your Sniply link to this website. So let me show you quickly. I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to a new tab and I'm going to paste this here. And have a look at this. When this loads, you're going to see here is my pop-up or my call to action that is now on this website over here. So you can see get $70 off here, coupon code special 20. So what happens is when people click on this, it's going to take them to this landing page where they can buy this now and get $70 discount off. So that's why I like the Sniply tool, because it allows you to put your own branded call to actions over any website in the world. So just to quickly recap, and this is important, let me go back here quickly. When creating your message and button text, you want to give some kind of deal, whether it's a coupon, a discount off. You're just going to have a look on the landing page of the affiliate product that you choose, and you're going to have to see what they offer. And what you want to do is you want to entice people to click on this link by giving them an exclusive coupon, telling them that it's limited, that they can only get it through this link, etc., because that is what's going to increase clicks and conversion rates through this pop-up on the screen. So the next step is now we need to get people to this. And I'm going to show you a brand new paid traffic method and a free traffic method that is just as powerful that you can use to then invest into the paid traffic method and scale this and blow up even beyond $200 a day in commissions with this. So firstly, we're going to use YouTube quickly. And what you can do is, and make sure to keep watching. I know this is something that makes a lot of people or pushes a lot of people away from this video, but YouTube is very powerful. But just keep watching because I'm going to show you the next free paid method after this, which you can literally double up your clicks and conversions and commissions by combining it with this. It's very powerful. What you can do is you can create a quick review on Video Marketing Blaster. The tool itself, you can literally just read through the website, show people what it's about. You can then use Video Marketing Blaster yourself if you want to go and rank #1 into the Video Marketing Blaster tool to go and rank your video, and then you can have like a link in the bio or the description of your video to your Sniply link. So that's one powerful way of doing this. What you can also do is you can come over to Google and you could type something, for example, YouTube growth forums, and you want to go and find YouTube growth forums. So for example here, yttalk.com, Black Hat World, and let's go digitalmarketinginstitute.com. So these are 3 forums that we can go and use to get people to click on a link and get initial commissions, which I'm going to show you how to reinvest into the paid strategy now. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down and see what people are commenting. So you can literally go and reply to this guy over here. This is a very helpful guide. I'm sure it will help loads of people out and inspire them about becoming a big YouTuber. And another site you can use is also this one over here. For example, YouTube expert needed, expert recommendations, looking for YouTube channel growth. So let's click on this one. We're going to click on this guy's comments, and you can go and reply to any of these posts, and you can say, hey there, for example, this guy's name is, it's at script. You could tag him and say, this is a tool or a website that I found that I've used to help rank my videos on the higher pages of the YouTube Explore page and the YouTube search terms and keywords to get more views, which has been blowing up my channel. If you'd like to have a look at this tool, here is a free video or training to the site. So you're just giving value, you're not cold selling, and you're not coming across as this random guy on the internet that's just trying to cold sell. You're actually giving free value, and you can mention that this tool, you can enter any keyword into it and you will rank on the #1 or at least the #2 page using this tool, and you can leave your Snipply link to the reply in the reply of this forum. What you can also do is you can come over to this other forum that I found called groupgossiper.com, which is all about YouTube personalities. So we can click on this one, for example, general and miscellaneous. And you can see here, you can open up a new topic, and you can see, okay, you just have to create an account, and you can title it, for example, ranking #1 on YouTube. Brand new tool has just been released, and how this YouTuber, for example, got like 1 million views in his first 2 months doing YouTube using this tool. You can then have your link to the Snipply link in that forum or that new topic that you just created, and you can also go and reply to all of these people. And you can see these forums are getting 99,000 views, 86,000, 41,000, 79. Some are blowing up to a lot of views. So this is a lot of potential free traffic that you can go and use to click on your link and to get a ton of commissions with this. So once you've found that you've got a couple of commissions from using all of this free traffic, I'm going to show you 2 paid methods that you can use to blow this up even at the same time if you want to use them simultaneously. Firstly is Instagram shoutouts. So what you can go and do is you can go and look for any YouTube pages. For example, let's just type in YouTube and see if there's any YouTube Instagram pages. For example, here's one here on, this looks like luxury and motivation niche, so that could apply. But you could also, for example, go to gaming, as I know a lot of people that are games and play here, a lot of people that are into gaming, let me just remove the search, usually do YouTube, record it, even if it's on Twitch and YouTube streaming. So for example, Apex Legends gameplay, this is a platform that you can go and do a swipe up feature. They have 112k followers, so you pay them $20 or $30 and they can do a swipe up feature, for example, for 24 hours to your Snipply link. If you want to say, this is a tool I've been using to rank my gaming videos on YouTube to the #1 page and getting a lot of views and turning my hobby into a career for myself or something like that. And that's a great way to use Instagram ads, and eventually you can also use Facebook ads. So when you're creating a Facebook ad, you can use your Snipply link. It's not an affiliate link, it's your own link to like your own Snipply website with the call to action. So you can go and invest maybe $5 a day into Facebook ads, get some returns from that, and scale if it goes well. Target different audiences. You want to go and target content creators, YouTube creators in the Facebook audience, and you don't have to worry about age and anything like that, but that is a great way to scale that as well. It's Instagram ads, Facebook ads. But firstly, you're going to use all these forums that I've shown you to get free traffic and a lot of free sales without actually investing into ads yet, because ultimately you don't want to lose money on this. So that's why I've decided to include the free traffic method, which you can use to build profits from, and then go and invest those profits to paid methods like Instagram shoutouts and Facebook ads to grow even more profit from there. But that's going to be my video for today, guys. I really hope you got a lot of value. Make sure to leave your comments down below if you have any questions, and message me on Instagram, and also leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. But on the screen, I will leave a link to my ClickBank affiliate marketing playlist if you want to learn more videos and strategies on how to make even more money with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Digistore and all of those platforms. You can do all of these strategies simultaneously if you want to, and run multiple online businesses at the same time. But without further ado, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You're welcome to go and click on this playlist. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.